How to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So if you need to create accounts on Shopify, you can use my affiliate links in the description. I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also receive rewards or discounts by signing up through these links. So, without further ado, let us begin. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do first is just simply install an app. So to install an app on Shopify, what you want to do is go to the left side over here and then just simply go to Add Apps right here under the Apps section. So just click on that. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply click on Shopify App Store right here. And then you will now be redirected here in the Shopify App Store. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just go up right here to the search bar. And then just simply search up for WhatsApp button. Click on that. Afterwards, there are a lot of apps right here that you can choose from. So they have a lot of WhatsApp apps right here that you can use as a button, but for me, I'll highly recommend this one right here, which is Dondi. So just click on that. Afterwards, once you're here, just simply click on install, and then you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do from here is just simply click on install again, and then now you'll be redirected here in the setup page for your WhatsApp button. So in here, there are a lot of tools right here that you can use for using WhatsApp. So you can add a WhatsApp button, create an automation, create a campaign, or send manual messages. At the bottom right here, you'll also see your metrics right here, like your revenue, your orders, the money spent, the ROAs, sent, delivered, read, and delivery rate of your messages. And then you'll also have some quick actions right here, like recover abandoned carts, add balance, and some other offers right here at the bottom. And then the left side right here on the app section, what you can also do is to pin this app or the Dondi app to your app section so that you'll have an easier time accessing the app. Okay, so we're all done. So what you want to do from here is just simply click on Add WhatsApp button. There you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you for a phone number. So just add your phone number right here, and then if you want to change the country, just simply click on the flag right there and then just choose your country from here. Afterwards, it will now ask you to select a size for the WhatsApp logo, so you can set it as small, medium, large, extra large, or extra extra large, so you can choose from any of the sizes right here. For example, I'll just choose medium. Afterwards, it will now ask you to choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on the page, so you can set it to the left, mid upper left, right, upper, mid upper right, and upper right. So for me, I'll just leave it at right there. And then you can also add a pre-filled message right here. So as an example, I'll just copy this pre-filled message right there. But the pre-filled message is optional, but I'll just show you guys on how to do it. So just simply type in your pre-filled message right there. So I'll just copy this. Hey, I have a question. And then there you go. At the bottom right here is we have some pro features right here for the WhatsApp button. So you can set the availability right here for your WhatsApp button. So if you have a pro version, you can set it to 24/7 or have custom working hours. You can also show widget on selected pages, so you can show it on all pages or only on specific pages. You can also let it be allowed to display on desktop or mobile, so you can let it display on both or display it on mobile only or desktop only. Next is we have the WhatsApp type. So basically what this does, if the user is on a desktop, this determines whether the button takes them to WhatsApp desktop or mobile. So there you go. So you can lead them to the desktop version of WhatsApp or the website version of WhatsApp. So you can choose from either of these options right here. Next is for the Pro plans. They have some product URLs right there. So you can include the page URL in chat when a customer sends a WhatsApp message. You can also add call to actions right here. Like you can add like chat button text labels like chat with us, compare. You can add like call to actions like chat with us, and etc. etc. Next is you can select your buttons right here, but since we're using the free one, let's just use the free one, but they also have some pro versions right here if you're gonna upgrade to the pro plan. So they have a lot of pro buttons right here that you can choose from. And then you can also receive updates and emails from Dondi regarding new product sales and other relevant information. So I'll just leave this unticked, and then there you go. At the bottom right here as well, you can also start the pro plan, which has a 7-day free trial, so you can avail this now if you want to, but for me I won't. And then once you're done, just simply click on save, and there you go. So once we're done, we're gonna enable the widget. So it says right there, changes save. Click enable widget to enable it on your store. So just click on enable widget right here, and then once you're here, make sure that the WhatsApp widget right here is switched on. So yeah, as you can see right here in the preview, we have the WhatsApp button right there. And then once it's switched on, just simply click on save or Control S on your keyboard. And then there you go, changes have been saved. And then there you go, you're pretty much done. But before we continue, let's talk about the plans right here for the WhatsApp button. So there you go, they have a lot of plans right here. So they have the Pro plan, the Advanced plan, the Power Automation, and the Elite plan. So all of them have different features right here, and all of them you can start your free trials. So yeah, so feel free to check all of these out and choose which kind of plan you want. But you can also just stick with the free plan if you really want to. Okay, so now let's just preview our store. So let's just go to our online store right here. And there you go, we have our online store right there. I'll just click on these three dots, click on preview, and then there you go. So when I go to my website right here, as you can see at the bottom right corner, we have the WhatsApp button right there. So when I click on it, there you go. It will ask us to open WhatsApp. You can continue chatting in the web right there, or you could just simply download the WhatsApp desktop application if you want to. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add the WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.